Hello everyone. In last lecture, we have studied about reconstitution of partnership final account. In today's lecture, we will see simple practical problem for partnership final account. Let's see. Simple illustration I have taken. Daya and Shama are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 1:1 from the following trial balance and additional information. Prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on that date. Now here on your screen the trial balance is given, like debit balances and credit balances are given. So we have studied in 12th standard how to prepare final account. First we will allocate the expenses or income to the particular account. Say example, stock on 1st April will appear on trading account debits. So we'll see all the expenses allocation. So likewise, the debit balances are allocated and credit balances are allocated. Now we'll see the practical problem. Now in 12th standard we have already studied, we have recording each and every item to the partnership final account. Let's see. Now the closing stock is given. Like adjustments are given. Closing stock, depreciation, bills receivable, dishonor, goods taken for personal use, bad debts write-off, RDD, and unrecorded sales. Now we will see the two effects of this adjustment. These are the two effects of the each adjustment. That is, closing stock will appear on trading account credit side, balance sheet asset side. Depreciation, we will deduct the respective asset in balance sheet, and another effect will show on profit and loss account debit side. Bills receivable included dishonor of bill. First, we will deduct it from the bills receivable and then add to the sundry debtors. Goods taken for personal purpose, that is drawing. First effect is going to trading account credit side, and another effect is going to partners capital or current account debit side. Now, in case if you are not preparing partners capital or current account, we will deduct it from the capital to the balance sheet. Bad debts and RDD. Before that, we will do the sixth adjustment, unrecorded sales. That is, unrecorded sales will be added to the sales and added to the customers. That is, added to sundry debtors. Now, lastly, we see the bad debts and RDD. Because what happened in debtors, we have to add the sales, and after that, we have to calculate the bad debts and RDD. So, therefore, this adjustment we will do last. Now, the effect for that adjustment is we will deduct it from debtors, and second effect is profit and loss account debit side. We will follow the format. Now, I have just transfer all the items, then we will solve out the adjustment. So likewise, I have transfer all the items over here. Along with the adjustment working, I have done it. Now see what are the adjustment. That is closing stock, depreciation, bills receivable included, goods taken for personal use, unrecorded sales, and then bad debt and RTD. Now we'll do one by one. First, we'll do closing stock. The closing stock will appear on the trading account, credit side, and balance sheet asset side. Then next is depreciation. We have already calculated depreciation over here. Then we'll show into the effect of the final account, that is less from machinery and less from building, and the another effect is goes to the profit and loss account debit side. Then third adjustment, bills receivable included in dishonor of bill. First we will deduct from bills receivable and add to the debtors. See, less dishonor and add dishonor. Then next transaction is goods taken for personal purpose, that is drawing. The first effect is goes to the trading account credit side, and another effect is less from capital. Now here we have not prepared partners capital or current account. The next adjustment is unrecorded sales. We will add the sales, unrecorded sales to the sales and to debtors. Okay, and after that we'll solve the bad debts and RTD. Then we will calculate the bad debts and RTD. So here we have calculated the 5% RTD and further bad debt is given. Let's see. Less further bad debt, less 5% new RTD. Second effect is profit and loss account debit side. Add to the bad debt, further bad debt and new RTD, and deduct the old RTD. Now there are two hidden adjustments, that is interest on investment and advertising outstanding. First we'll see outstanding advertisement, that is in advertisement less prepaid 1500. Now see, outstanding is given for 3 months, means the amount for advertisement is given for 9 months and the remaining 3 months are outstanding. So we'll balance of 3 months we'll calculate 1500 and deduct it from the advertisement. And the second effect, balance sheet assets. The next is interest on investment. Here 10% investment is given on the asset side. We will add the interest, that is add interest accrued 2000, and it is our income, therefore it will recorded on the credit side of the profit and loss account. Now all items are transferred. Now we'll close the books of account. First we'll close the trading account. The total is 3,30,500. Then we'll calculate the gross profit. That is two gross profit carried down 1,09,500. We transfer it to the P&L account credit side and then take the total of the P&L, that is 1,13,300. Now we'll calculate the net profit and transfer it to the partner's capital. Two net profit transfer to Daya and Shama. That is 1:1 ratio we have allocated. You can say we have distributed equally. Now here the decimal places are occurring. So here for Daya we'll take 1 and for Shama We will not round it off. Then we'll transfer this net profit to the partner's capital. That is add net profit, add net. Then we will deduct the drawing. Now the drawing is only for Daya. For Kshama it is not given. Then we will deduct the drawing and we'll get final capital balance. And after that, we'll do the closing of the balance sheet, that is totaling of the balance sheet. If you have solved the adjustment in well manner and give the every effect, your balance sheet will get 10. That is 4,82,321. Okay. So likewise, you have to solve the partnership final account problem. Thank you.